In order to help the IT companies for the betterment for them, for better traffic, better vehicle, better roads, we have carved that Bangalore Corporation, East Corporation with only 50 watts, where they get the entire for Bangalore, the tax collection will be 6,000 crores. But only for that 5 watts, only for 5 watts, it will be 1,600 crores. This is only to help the IT corridor. We have taken this decision.
So one of the previous MLAs has moved to the court, sir. Are they trying to copy you, sir? Because earlier also asking for the rights, the Congress had moved to center as well, sir. So he says no fund, there won't be a proper development, and he's asking for the fund.
We are giving funds to everyone.
Mr. Priyank Kharge
ನಾರಾ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಮೂಲ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Let it see. No one can come and let 100 such people claim and let they call. It is not new.